doesn't like summer fruits, but in this scorching heat, you have to protect your hair, skin, and overall health. So, I'm sharing some tips, tricks to protect yourself in this summer. So, first, we will start with hydration and detox. I'm taking a glass of water with lemon, and you can also add apple, mint, and cucumber for your health as your need. I love drinking chilled water, so I have taken chilled water. You can use as per your need. Heat waves makes our hair dry and frizzy, and I was facing the same problem. So here I am oiling my hair overnight, or you can also oil your hair 30 minutes before washing your hair. And also do not forget to comb your hair with wooden comb. It really helps in circulation and hair growth. So yeah, you can try it. Now it's time to hydrate our skin. I have taken 2 tablespoons of curd, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 2 drop of lemon, and mixed it well. Curd and honey really helps to moisturize our skin, and curd is a gentle exfoliator, so it also removes dead skin. And lemon in it has vitamin C, so it brightens our skin. So you can use it, and also you can use that for your body because yeah, for the same properties. Now I'll do my basic skincare, which really helps my skin to hydrate and to glow. I use rose water as toner, and it really refreshes my skin. I'm showing all the products I am using. Also, in the last part of this video, I will share some tips and tricks, so do not forget to watch it till last. It is really important to smell good in summer. So here I am using a body mist which is from Plum, and it's vanilla flavor. Now is the time to hydrate our body after the detox water I take. You can store the detox water for a day, so you can drink it whenever you want and you don't have to fill it up again and again. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel here. And also don't forget to eat fruits because it really hydrates your body from within, and which really helps to your skin. Angels, that was pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I have few tips and tricks to share. So because why not, you guys my angels, so why not? So first tips and trick, first step is do not forget your essentials if you're going out. And what are the essentials? What do I use? Can't go out, like I literally can't go out without my sunscreen, my mist or rose water toner, or my lip balm, and also a wet wipe. So these are my few things I pack in my bag. Also a mini perfume. So these are 4 5 things you should not forget if you're going out. The number one is sunscreen. Like, do not forget sunscreen. It's so much important in this scorching heat. Your skin needs that. Also, rose water helps a lot. Like when I go out in this much heat, I use my rose water whenever I feel like my skin is getting too much dry and I'm not feeling good. So I spray that, and it makes my looks or also makes my skin fresh like nothing. So yeah, then you should also do icing twice a day. I didn't mention it in this video, but I did mention it in any previous video. So do icing twice a day in summer. That really helps. You can also use cucumber in the detox water, or whatever vitamin you want, you can use that in your detox water. Beetroot, cucumber, there is a lot.
So yeah, if you have any questions you can ask in comment section. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and if you genuinely like this video, do not forget to like, share and comment on this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. Till then, bye bye, stay safe, I love you guys.